Pinterest 25 is going to be an absolute goldmine for online bloggers, creators, and online businesses. The way people use Pinterest is evolving, and if you get ahead and start using these trends, now you're going to be setting yourself up for some serious passive income this year and going into next year. So in today's video, I'm going to go over what I think are going to be the biggest Pinterest trends in 2025 and going to give you some step-by-step guidance on how you can either start or grow your Pinterest strategy from scratch. My name is Brittany and this is my channel Making Money with Mama, where I show you how to make a full-time income on part-time hours, and if that is something that sounds good to you, please subscribe and let's dive into the video. Alright, before we get into all the juicy trends, let's first talk a little bit very briefly on why it is so important to get on Pinterest in 2025. Pinterest has over 500 million active users, and what makes it different than any other social platform is that it's a search engine. That means the content lives on the platform significantly longer and can get you leads and income for months and even years to come. Not to mention, Pinterest traffic is known to convert like crazy. Here are quick 3 fun facts about why Pinterest is going to be a trendsetter in 2025. Number 1 is people that are utilizing a Pinterest strategy, they are seeing that Pinterest is in the top 3 traffic drivers to their business. Pinterest pins last 1,600 times longer than any Facebook or Instagram post. And the audience on Pinterest is typically on the Pinterest platform for inspiration to buy or to buy, making it one of the highest converting platforms. People aren't on there just for entertainment like on some of these other apps and social medias. So let's walk through the Pinterest strategy for 2025 that you should start implementing this year. First things first, if it's not already done, we need to optimize that Pinterest profile. Before you even start pinning, your profile needs to be optimized correctly. We want to attract the right audience, and here's how we do that. First things first, if you're not already set up as a Pinterest business account, go ahead and switch your Pinterest page over to a business account. This is going to give you access to certain features such as analytics, so you can see what's performing well, what's not performing well. It gives you access to ad campaigns if you want to run ads at some point, and all around gives you better visibility. We need search terms in both your profile name and your profile bio. So if I'm setting up a Pinterest account about Pinterest marketing, I am definitely not going to just put Brittany Digital Marketing as my name. I am going to put Brittany Pinterest affiliate marketing and passive income tips. We are using 2 keywords that people are going to be searching in that Pinterest search bar and putting it right in my name, and I'm going to be using those same search terms and putting it in my bio as well. We also need to be thinking about profitable niches. We can't just go to Pinterest with the intent of posting whatever we want. We have to be intentional with our niche and what content we are going to post on Pinterest, because let's face it, there are certain content that is made for Pinterest and certain content that's better off on the other social media platforms. In 2025, here are just a few of several niches that I think are going to be booming. One niche I think is going to be highly profitable is the digital product and printable niche. Think something along the lines of templates and journals and workbooks, planners, things of that nature. Number 2, AI, artificial intelligence. That's just everywhere right now, and I don't think it's going away anytime soon as more and more new AI features start popping up on all of our favorite platforms. 3 is home organization and minimalism. That's already been a trend on Pinterest for so long, and that's not going anywhere anytime soon either. Pinterest loves the home space. Another one is sustainable and eco-friendly living. Again, this has been popular on Pinterest for a long time. It's not going anywhere. It's a very popular trending niche on Pinterest. And one of my personal favorites is pregnancy, postpartum, newborn, anything in the motherhood and parenting space. I myself use Pinterest for parenting all the time, looking up for potty training tricks and kids activities to do with my kids and kid printables that I can print and do at home with my kids, right? I am always on Pinterest for my children. So that is going to be another niche that is going to be very well off in 2025 as well. From there, we want to start thinking of our boards, and we want to have about 10 boards starting off that are really geared towards our niche. So you think of your niche as just a broad niche. Say our niche is artificial intelligence. One of our boards could be best AI tools for entrepreneurs. That's going to be hyper specific. It's going to be a long tail keyword instead of just labeling your board like AI tools. We want to be hyper specific and use long tail keywords. And likewise, each board is going to have a board description that has keywords in it as well. Now let's talk about pin design strategies that work. Here's some of the Pinterest design trends that I predict are going to do really well in 2025. 2025. One is combining AI with a little bit of a personal touch. AI, like I said, is all the rage. People are using it to generate all kinds of images, but let's add a little personal flair, like adding your face or a little bit of personality, handwriting, or unique branding, and I think that's really going to take your pin to the next level and stand out amongst other kind of AI-generated Pinterest pins. Next up, we have bold fonts and high contrast colors. I think the soft pastels, minimalistic vibe is on its way out. Now people are really drawn to those bold aesthetics, deep blues, blacks, reds, something that's really gonna pop off the feed. People are going to be more drawn to that now because we've been seeing those white and beige pastel-y type content for so long that now we're like, this sticks out to me. Strong fonts always convert better. Try and stay away from cursive fonts and handwritten fonts and fonts that are hard to read. Bold fonts, easy to read, large lettering, those are always going to convert the best. We want short, snappier pin titles now. Instead of long phrases, go for a more simplified, very direct hook or title. How to make $1,000 Pinterest affiliate marketing in 30 days versus how to start making money with Pinterest. They both are utilizing keywords, but one is a little stronger, one's a little juicier, and I think is going to perform well. Next, experiment with different types of pins. There was a point in time when Pinterest was really prioritizing video pins, and those pins were just taking off. Pinterest has taken a step back a little bit from those video pins. However, I still encourage you to mix and match your pin styles and see what's going to work for your brand, because someone who's doing Amazon finds, I find that posting videos of your Amazon product is typically going to perform better than if you were posting a static image of an Amazon product, right? So depending on your niche, videos still might be high quality for the audience that you're looking for. So I highly recommend you still put out high quality video content, and I still recommend that you put out static posts and see what performs well for your niche. And next, we are going to have a call to action on every single pin. Whether it's just a save for later, read the full guide here, download here, grab your freebie. Every pin should tell the viewer exactly what to do next, because we are bombarded with messages on Pinterest, on Instagram, on every social media platform. Be direct. Tell the audience what the next step is. We want to be told what to do. I just realized that my camera fell and now I'm like, my head's cut off. I really hope it wasn't like that for too long. Next up, we have some of the exciting stuff. Let's talk about monetization strategies in 2025. How are we gonna make that bag on Pinterest this year? Number one, affiliate marketing. I talk about this all the time. It's kind of my bread and butter. One is we can pin direct affiliate links so long as that we are disclosing that it is an affiliate link in the pin description, and it can't be something that's scammy or spammy like ClickBank. It has to be real, authentic affiliate programs with real authentic products that have a good standing behind them. We can also link to a landing page or a blog or YouTube video that also has affiliate links in those as well. So for example, you could create a blog post that's the best AI tools for entrepreneurs or businesses, and inside that blog post you mention stuff like Jasper, ChatGPT, Canva Pro, and you have all those affiliate links inside that blog post, and you're kind of talking about the different AI softwares and what the programs have, how much they cost, what features they do, how can they benefit the business. You always want to talk about the benefits and the pain points when you're making a blog post or you're trying to have your audience buy something, so they understand this is how this product's going to benefit me, this is how it's going to solve my pain point, this is why I want to purchase it, so yes, I am going to purchase this product. Next up, we have selling digital products. Pinterest is an absolute goldmine for digital products. If you sell printables, if you sell ebooks, if you sell guides, if you sell online courses, if you sell templates, Pinterest can really help drive a lot of massive traffic to those products. Here's my favorite method. It's called a freebie funnel. First up, you offer something called a free lead magnet. This could be something like in the Pinterest niche, a Pinterest planner, Pinterest content ideas, things like that. Then I'm going to make Pinterest pins that are going to lead people to this freebie landing page. They're going to put in their email address and they're going to get the freebie that I made for them. And from there, they're going to be redirected to a paid program, maybe a Pinterest affiliate marketing course, which I have one in the description box below if you want to check it out. And then I'll have a series of emails that are targeting them because they opted in to my freebie with their email address. So now I can send them automatic emails that are going out, giving them more Pinterest tips, Pinterest strategy, Pinterest value, and also pitching the Pinterest affiliate marketing course. Sponsored content and brand deals, yes, that is not just for Instagram and TikTok and YouTube. You can get sponsorships and brand deals over on Pinterest too. Some brands will pay you to make a blog post if you're in the blogging space and you're getting a lot of traffic to your blog, but other people will also sponsor you just to make a sponsored pin. To attract sponsorships, build an engaged following, create high quality content that provides value to the end user, you will be on your way to pitching to brands and getting brand deals in no time. Now, those are my top 3 favorite monetization strategies going into 2025. However, here's kind of a little honorable mention. If you are making money through AdSense, whether it's on your blog or YouTube, here's another thing that I often do is I make a ton of Pinterest pins that are leading to a blog post, that are leading to my YouTube videos, so that I can make money off those AdSense as well. So for example, I'm going to post this video on YouTube. I will go over and make Pinterest pins talking about the best ways to make money on Pinterest in 2025 and redirect it to this YouTube video. So that way when people click my pin, they go and watch my video, I'll get money on the YouTube AdSense as well. Now, Pinterest is not a platform where you just go viral or you just get this insane growth overnight. But if we want to grow as fast as we possibly can on Pinterest, here are a few things to keep in mind. Then you can use scheduling tools like Tailwind. I'll leave the description box below. Tailwind is a scheduling app. You just plug all the pins that you just made in and it auto schedules everything out for you so that you can just set it and forget it. Next is we want to make sure we're posting our pin content at peak times. Now, if you're using that Tailwind program I talked about, they're going to do an analysis of your profile and they're already going to AI technology and stuff. But if you don't have any rapport built up yet, you're not really sure, you're just starting, it's best to post between 6 and p.m. Eastern Standard Time in those evening hours. Next, we're going to use the Pinterest Trends tool to find trending keywords in our niche. We can also have ChatGPT help us find keywords. I actually have 45 highly strategic prompts that you can plug and play for any niche of your choosing in the description box below. It's literally insane. I can literally have ChatGPT plan out your whole strategy for you. So those are kind of my Pinterest best practices for 2025 and really making a full-time income utilizing Pinterest this year. You're going to want to check out the other tools and resources I have listed in the description box below and check out my channel for more Pinterest marketing videos. It is such a great way to make passive income long term, and I just can't wait to watch you thrive on Pinterest.